My name is Gretchen Hyslip, and I'm the Director of Customer Operations here at CampTek Software, and I'm the Director of Customer Operations here at CampTek Software. Welcome to another episode of Camp, a podcast on all things automation. Today, we're going to go over how to prepare ahead of time for automation success. When you first met or meet with CampTek Software, you may have seen this chart. It's our Life of a Bot timeline. We use this as a guide to give you an idea of how long a well-structured automation initiative will take and what steps need to be completed as we move through the automation process. We'll discuss these steps next week. Today, I want to guide you through what isn't shown in this chart, the internal prep work required for a successful automation. A successful robotic process automation, RPA journey, starts internally with you and your team. That's not to say that you need to come with all the answers, but you should have an idea of what process you want to automate and who the key players in that process are. If you're unsure where to start your automation journey, tools like UiPath's task mining can be applied to departments or teams where you see potential for automation success. To start a task mining project or to talk through potential ideas for automation, get in touch with us. We can help you walk through how to identify processes for automation. After you've identified what process or processes you want to automate and their corresponding teams or departments, you'll want to start working with those teams to identify any business rule exceptions or process improvements you want to make. Let's say, for example, every day your team gets hundreds of emails with various types of files that need to be downloaded and saved in specific places. This takes your team of 10 people 6 hours each day to download and sort through emails and folder locations. That's a lot of time, so let's automate it. We'll call this the email download process. Since your automation need has been identified, you'll want to figure out which email downloads go to which folders. Let's say one email's attachment is labeled monthly bill, and that attachment needs to get saved in the billing notices folder. Or the email subject is report for Jane, and that attachment, no matter the name, needs to go in Jane's folder. We'll want to map out the options for the bot to know where to put what, similar to a document you might find in a training module. Keep in mind that this is just to get ahead of the automation schedule. We understand that you're most likely gearing up for automation to alleviate more work or backlogs, but we promise that the time spent sorting and teaching us your process will pay off when the bot goes live. Back to our example. You've met with CampTek Software, learned what RPA can do, chosen your automation process, and started work on collecting your business exceptions and mapping document. Next steps are to schedule a scope call with CampTek, but I'm sure we're already in touch. We'll see you next week.